Yeah, so on the topic of consumer behavior, I think that is kind of the core of why we started Manna in the first place. If you zoom out a little bit, why we're doing the pivot, why I think this pivot, in a sense, we're lucky in that our technology serves the consumer in this core way, whether or not we have a consumer app or we're working with publishers and CPG companies. The core is that we want to change consumer behavior when it comes to shopping for your groceries using recipes. Statistics show that a majority of people who are shopping, especially online shoppers, use recipes as a starting point for their shopping, right? And it makes a lot of logical sense. What am I going to make this week? This looks pretty good. Let me go get the ingredients for this, and those will be my three dinners for the week, and we'll have leftovers. But I find that the process right now is still super manual, super frustrating. You go to one website to find the recipes, then you write it all down or you screenshot it, and then you kind of go to another site to do your shopping online, or you go to the store physically, pick it up, whatever it might be. The process is very disjointed. And if you look at other forms of e commerce, on demand commerce is just the standard for most industries, right? You can see a shirt in an Instagram post and buy that shirt. And I think that this is kind of an inevitable transition for the food industry and specifically in grocery